Hello guys, today we are going to make this model, so without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we need to make a sketch. Select the top plane, click sketch command. Let's draw a circle. Mirror the circle. Now circle is mirrored towards the center line. Give some dimensions. Draw another circle at center. Give dimension to 300. Draw a line. Snap the line to the bigger circle. Similarly, draw a line to other side. So let's connect the circle with lines. Now we need to make the tangent of this line. Select the tangent command, click on line and then click on circle. Again click on line and then click on circle. The lines become tangent to the circle. Similarly do the same for all 4 lines. This line is showing error because while making this line is a constraint to the another line. Let's delete this line and we will make a new line. Select delete segment and delete this line. Draw another line. Here you can see this line is parallel to the another line, that's why we cannot make tangent. This is the symbol of parallel line. Let's delete the parallel constraint and then we will make it tangent to the circle. Give some dimension to 300. Then lock the dimension. Now bigger circle dimension is fixed to 300. Give dimension to the smaller circle 100 and delete the line segment which are not required. So our sketch is created. You can see the gray area because our sketch is closed. Finish the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude command. Give some value to 110 and then click OK. Now our geometry is created. Select a plane and draw a circle. Give dimension to 190. As you shown, this is remove material, then deselect the remove material. Now this give additional material and then complete the extrude command. Select the round command and give some fillet and then click OK. By selecting the sketch, click on Extrude command. Complete the Extrude command. Let's hide the plane. Now our geometry is coming out. So with the help of Revolve command, we can make a dome on it. Just draw a circle. Delete the line segments which are not required and draw a center line. Now we close the sketch, and with the help of Revolve command it will create a solid object. Our geometry is created. Now we need to make cutout throughout the geometry. Make another sketch as shown. Draw a rectangle and then make it symmetrical to the center line. First left click, another left click and then center line. Our rectangle is symmetrical to the center line. Draw a circle. Delete the line segments which are not required. Finish the sketch. Select the Extrude command and remove the material from both sides. Just simply drag, it will remove the material from both sides. Then we need to make a hole in it. Select a plane, create a sketch, select a circle and draw a circle as shown. Give the diameter 60 and then click OK. Sketch is created. With the help of Extrude cut, again we need to remove the material from the both sides. Select the symmetrical and drag the handles. It will remove the material and then click OK. So our geometry is created. Hide the plane. So this is a simple geometry that we have learned in this tutorial. Let's change the color. Go to the view and select the mode appearance. In the dialog box, click on the color option. With the help of RGB values, you can choose any color and then click OK. And then select the model and click middle mouse button. The color is assigned to the geometry. This is how you assign color to any geometry.